What's up, guys? We have done a complete suspension overhaul here on JP's truck. We did our coilover kit in the front, Dana 60, and our heavy duty Dana 60 steering kit, and our new long travel rear leaf suspension and long travel shock mount kit. And in this video, you're gonna see the before and after, where we compare just how great the suspension rode before, which was not great, and how great it is now. Hope you guys enjoy and check it out.
It's insane. Every little rock is just so bad.
It's so rough.
It's terrible.
I used to be used to this.
Right.
It's really crazy, the difference.
It's just frustrating.
Chiropractor after this.
Yeah. Like, this is my only truck.
Yeah.
So I drive it everywhere, across country for video projects and things like that. But I still want to be able to go off-roading, except in this thing, it's terrible.
It's yeah, this is horrendous. We're only going like less than 10 miles an hour.
We're fully going 5 miles an hour.
Yeah. People, for one, will say I can swap a set of O5 or super duty axles in my truck for less than just suspension.
Totally.
And for one, it's like, well, not really, because you're gonna have to buy those axles at, from a junkyard or something. Forged.
Right.
They're more than likely going to need to be rebuilt, which will cost just as much as rebuilding your own Dana 60.
Exactly. Yeah.
And so whatever, you do that, you have to change your wheels, then you put it all in, and now you're coil sprung, which is fantastic. You're like, all right, sweet, I'm coil sprung, but you're coil sprung on stock suspension.
Yeah.
Like, it's still not that great.
Right.
To where with ours is like if you're to do a super duty swap and then run all Carly, custom tuned coilovers and all those things, like that would be more comparable.
Right.
Just a stock 05 and newer truck is not going to handle like off-road, lots of bumps just naturally really easy.
Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, I think about that. I thought about the same thing, because I've ridden in lots of new Super Duties, and you take them on a dirt road, and stock, they don't ride good. Like, regardless, even though it's new, it's coil bucket, it's, this truck's got 20,000 miles on it, it still rides terrible.
Yep.
It's still a 3/4 ton truck, and they're just not really meant for being smooth until you dump a bunch of money into them. And I'm like trying to take good lines right now too. Oh my god. nuts. I literally used to have to drive this at like 2 miles an hour. This bump right here on this bridge too is always so gnarly. Wow, okay. I feel it.
That would have been bouncing your head off.
That would have been literally head on the ceiling. That's crazy. Holy shit. Wow. This is the road with all the potholes. Dude, that is insane.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
This was very
Dude. What? It just like feels more like it's still, I mean, we're hitting huge rocks.
Yes.
But it feels like it's actually working. I've never gone this fast on a dirt road in this truck.
yeah.
So we just got back from our test drive, and now we're gonna pull the forklift out and see how good this thing flexes.
Wow.
Tire clearance on the entire thing. As you guys have seen, this truck came in with all bone stock suspension, and anybody that has driven one of these or ridden in one, whether it be on the road, off road, fire roads, you name it, they just ride really terribly. So we've just done all of our front and rear suspension and steering, our Dana 60 coilover kit, heavy duty steering kit, long travel rear leaf suspension, long travel rear shock mounts, and rebuilt the axles, all that good stuff, and took it out, and the experience is really a night and day difference. And that's kind of our goal as a company, is to make these trucks drive and ride and handle just like a new truck or better, because we still like to use them and drive them, and it just makes them so much more enjoyable. And it honestly makes it to where the truck takes less of a beating as a whole, like your interior parts, all of your different wear items, when you have suspension that is actually absorbing the shock that you get from hitting bumps and other things in the road. Instead of that vibration and shock going through the whole truck, it's significantly reduced. And it's just, this one turned out really, really great. So if you want to turn your OBS Ford into a vehicle that you actually enjoy driving, that's far more capable on-road and off-road, and is just a much better overall experience, let us know. We are located in beautiful Tumalo, Oregon, Central Oregon, and we do installations. We also sell all these parts on our website, and we're here to help make your truck drive and ride the way it really should.